Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the basics so your first take counts. Position your mic 6-12 inches from your mouth and use a pop filter to cut plosives. Set input level so peaks hit around -6 dB. Once done, do a 10-20 second test recording and listen for room tone, sibilance, or clipping. Make quick adjustments to gain and distance, then record the first full pass, speaking naturally and following your script cues for emphasis and deliberate pauses. Once you have a clean pass, import audio into your editor and align the spoken track to picture by matching phonemes to visible lip movement. Nudge clips by milliseconds if needed. Make processing choices: a gentle low cut to remove rumble, a slight mid reduction to reduce boxiness, and a high-frequency lift for intelligibility. Then compress subtly to tame dynamics, and normalize or set LUFS for target loudness, so your voice sits consistently over music or effects. You finish by balancing levels and checking the whole timeline. Automate volume to lower music under informative lines and raise it between takes. Choose export settings that match your platform. Deliver masters as 48K HC WAV 24-bit and create compressed MP3s at 192-320 kbps for upload. Finally, listen on headphones and speakers. If a line has noise or sibilance, re-record that segment. Otherwise, use do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.